ScrubSwitch. Switches designed to be disinfected. Hospitals are required to routinely clean and disinfect high-touch surfaces to minimize hospital-acquired infection. High-touch areas that have frequent contact with hands are doorknobs, call bells, and light switches. On average, light switches contain 112 colonies of bacteria per centimeter. In perspective, this is the equivalent to a garbage bin. Inadvertently, too much solution is used sometimes and sprayed directly on the toggle switch. Solution can damage the switch or wall plate and cause discoloration and cracking. The solution can also soak into the gap of the contact and burn out the device. Switches need to be cleaned in accordance with hospital cleaning requirements to minimize bacteria growth. Toggle switches are not meant to be cleaned often. Too many openings, too many nooks and crannies for bacteria to hide. ScrubSwitch, the first switch is designed to withstand the rigors of medical cleaning solutions and stricter protocols. Hubbell stainless steel and ABS plastic ScrubSwitch plates help hospitals maintain high levels of cleanliness in the necessary areas. Perfect for patient rooms, patient bathrooms, nurse stations, and public areas. ScrubSwitch is designed to be cleaned, and unlike toggle switches, there are less areas for bacteria to hide. Totally smooth surface utilizing microbands suppresses the growth of bacteria. The ScrubSwitch cover plate design has no openings and snaps onto the device. This prevents cleaning solution from entering the interior of the switch, potentially burning it out. Proximity sensing technology allows users to simply tap on or off, like a phone. However, the technology doesn't require skin contact, so it works with a latex gloved hand or an elbow in a shirt sleeve. ScrubSwitch is resistant to impacts from medical supply carts, linen carts, and other objects which may accidentally come in contact with the device. Simply remove the existing switch. ScrubSwitch replaces the switch using the same line and load wires. ScrubSwitch does need a white neutral wire to operate. Mount ScrubSwitch back into the box like an ordinary switch. Gaskets assure a dry installation. Snap the cover on, either ABS plastic or stainless steel. Change out your switches to ScrubSwitch.